This is an example of RPM problems. Now I'm going to turn on the AC. Now turned off. Turning the AC back on. I'm gonna turn on the car with the AC on. Turning off the AC. AC off. Put it into gear. Neutral. Park. I scanned my vehicle. I got codes, misfires on cylinder 4. I got on the auto throttle code for it being like low air passing through. So finding out that there's a lot of carbon buildup around my auto throttle control, or right here, actuator. So I cleaned it up a little. So now when I turn on my vehicle, so pretty much you remove everything, clean it up. What I'm cleaning it up with is with this the carbon and carbon cleaner. You can't really see with the sun, so let me come over here, turn on my vehicle. This is how it feels now when I turn it on. That's how my RPMs look like now. They're not jumpy no more like how they were before. So right now my engine is trying to adjust to the idle. My engine light's on still, but I'm gonna put the codes in the description so you can know what codes I'm getting. So if you have this similar problem, my car was stalling at stops because it couldn't the RPMs couldn't adjust because the auto throttle. So now my car is idling a lot better, just cleaning my auto throttle. So that's what solved my RPM problems. Yes, and I did replace my vanos, my vano sensors, the 2 vano sensors. I replaced them thinking that was a problem. So I guess in this case it wasn't the problem, but I guess it was time to change them. But that was fine with me. Let me show you what the vano sensors are. So actually, let me turn off the vehicle so you can hear me. These are the vanal sensors right here. As you can see, they're nice and clean because they're brand new. This is the vanal sensor right here, and this is the vanal sensor. They're both the same, so if you buy one, you can put it up on top or the bottom, it doesn't matter. So that's the vanal sensors, and the vanal pump and all that, it's inside the engine, so you would have to take out the valve cover gasket and work on it if that's your problem. But in my case, it's just the actuator was built up with a lot of carbon around it right here. So spraying the carbon, pretty much what you have to do is keep the car running how I had it running right now, and then have somebody inside the vehicle stepping on the gas, and while they're stepping on the gas, you're gonna get the carbon spray cleaner, and then you're just gonna spray the throttle actuator there. So the car might stall out, but if it does, just turn on the vehicle again. So because you will choke it right here with a lot of the spray. And yeah, so hopefully this helps you guys out in some way somehow. But this is what was going on with my problem with this vehicle, with the RPM problems. Okay, so see you guys in the next video.